Hello and welcome. In this quick video I'll show you how to add additional watch faces to your Apple Watch. You can do this on the watch itself or you can do it from the iPhone, and I'll show you both ways. So we'll start with the Apple Watch, and what we want to do is press and hold on the current watch face. So press and hold and your screen will look like this. Now swipe from right to left until you get to the plus sign. When you see it, click it. And now we're in the Apple Watch face gallery, so to speak, and you can swipe up and down and locate a face that you want to add to your watch. So just keep going until you see one you like, and if you like you can also use the digital crown here to skim through. When you find one you like, just tap it and this is now added to your watch. Now if you want to edit this, you can press and hold and this time go to edit. You can see we're in the colour section, and if I want to change the colour, just use the digital crown here and scroll through until you find one you like. I can further customise by swiping right to left and going to dial, and again use the crown to select a different style dial if you wish. Swipe right to left again and I have complications, and you can change any of these. I'll just select this one for this example. I'm in workout currently. So let's change that to rain as I'm in London. That's the last option. So just tap on the crown and tap it again, and you now have your customized watch face. Now you can also change the position of the watch face. To do this, press and hold the watch face, press and hold again and hold. Now you can drag it to a position you like. Tap to accept. If you want to just get rid of a watch face for some reason, just select one, press and hold, and swipe up. You'll have an option to remove. Tap again, and you can select any watch face you like. That's how you do it on the Apple Watch. Let's take a look at the phone. To change the watch face on the phone, open the Watch app. And as you can see, I'm in the My Watch section. What we'll do first is go to the face gallery. And as you can see, we have all of the watch faces again, and exactly the same as on the watch itself. Just select one you want to use. Let's say this one. You can change the colors, you can change the styles, and if it has complications available, you can change them at the bottom here. Once you've chosen one, just select Add, and you can see it's transferred straight away to your Apple Watch. Now, if you go to the My Watch section, we have your current watch faces here. And if you want to edit these, tap Edit. And we can again change the order by dragging one up here or dragging down. And we can also remove a watch face just by pressing this red button and pressing remove. So that's basically it. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, really appreciate a quick thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which is your favourite watch face. I'm really interested to know. Thanks for choosing my video, and I really wish you a great day ahead.